Elevated above West Linn, this private residence surrounded by mature trees in a park-like setting commands sweeping mountain, valley, and city light views, a rare and ever-changing backdrop. It's conveniently located just moments from parks, the Willamette River, shopping, and top-rated schools. A dramatic two-story entry introduces interiors defined by scale, light, and architectural presence. Oversized windows frame the surrounding landscape, filling the home with soft northwest light. The well-appointed kitchen features rich wood cabinetry, quality finishes, and thoughtfully integrated accent lighting. A bay window at the sink captures peaceful views beyond. French doors open to the expansive composite deck, where you can entertain while taking in gorgeous views. The private office with built-ins also has abundant natural light. Upstairs, the entire level is devoted to the primary suite, a true retreat. Enjoy panoramic windows, luxurious heated floors, and private deck access in a serene setting. The spa-inspired bath is beautifully designed with large windows. You'll find generous closet space complete with washer and dryer hookups and a flexible bonus room for work or play. The lower level offers generous bedrooms and versatile spaces with new carpet. Abundant storage ensures effortless organization throughout. Lighted pathways wind through the property, enhancing the park-like atmosphere. With more than 3,300 square feet, this home blends timeless design with an extraordinary setting. A peaceful retreat ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.